LingoTok AI language tutor, your private language tutor, the fastest way to master a language. Calling your tutor, active tutoring. So there are a lot of new AI language apps, and this is one of those. Get a private language tutor that goes through all your language lessons with you. Ask anything, learn everything. Interactive voice calls. So that's pretty cool. Enjoy real-time voice-based tutoring and full premium support. And then you can just open it up and then join millions of learners worldwide. Select your language tutor. And that's then there is onboarding. Which language you want to learn. So then you just select, for example, you select the language. For example, and then you just do this. Kind of setting, and then you see this kind of animation in here, getting everything set up for you. And then choose your plan. So you see quarterly plan or you see weekly plan for $13 per week. And that's just what you have. Then quarterly plan, $50 every 3 months. So yeah, that's the idea. Unfortunately, there is no free plan, but you just got the idea.